In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky add to cart on Shopify. A sticky add to cart keeps your purchase button visible as shoppers scroll, which can reduce friction and boost conversions. We'll install a trusted app and walk through the essential settings so your button looks great and behaves the way you want. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login and access your store the way you normally do, whether that's with email or another sign-in option. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, open a new tab and head to apps.shopify.com. Using a separate tab makes it easy to switch back to your admin. In the search bar, type sticky cart, slide cart, drawer, open the app listing, review the overview if you like, and then select the option to install. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin to confirm. Before the app can work, you'll see a permissions screen. Review the requested access and click to grant permissions. This is necessary so the app can display the sticky button on your storefront and interact with the cart. This app requires a paid plan, so you'll be prompted to add a payment method or approve charges. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm billing through Shopify's secure checkout. Once that's done, you'll land inside the app's dashboard. Now it's time to configure. Start with position. You can place the sticky button at the bottom, top, left, or right of the screen. The bottom is often ideal on mobile because it's easy to reach with your thumb, while the right side can work well on desktop. Choose what best fits your theme, layout, and audience. Move on to color, size, and style. Match your brand colors, keep contrast strong for readability, and pick a size that's noticeable without covering important content. If the app lets you adjust corner radius or icons, set those to complement your theme's design. Finally, fine-tune behavior. A common choice is to show the sticky button only after someone scrolls past the main product details, so it appears when it's most helpful and least distracting. You can also set how quickly it appears and whether it stays visible as people move between variants. Save your changes, then preview a product page, scroll, switch variants, and add to cart to make sure everything looks and feels right on both desktop and mobile. If anything overlaps other elements, slightly adjust the position or size in the app settings. That's it. You've added a sticky add to cart on Shopify, installed the app, granted the right permissions, confirmed billing, and tuned the settings for a smooth on-brand experience.